Papers+Ink Studio presents The Art of Rolling with our cone rollers. First, you'll need a few things: botanical and herbs of your choice, a solid grinder, rolling machine, rolling papers, filters, and packing tool, which you'll find in our all-in-one full kits. Now, let's get rolling with a little help from our rolling machine. Open the rolling machine and note one side with text. Make sure to place filter on this text side. Grind your botanicals in the grinder for a consistent texture. Fill the machine and evenly spread the blend with less near the filter side and more at the other end. Close the roller and use your thumbs to roll the belt downwards a few times to create the cone shape. Take out your beautiful papers, making sure the gum line is at the top and facing you. You'll see where the gum line is because of a slight shine. Fold the corner of the paper on the filter side. Feed the paper inside the roller and start rolling the belt downwards, stopping to leave the gum line exposed. Slightly lick the gum line and continue to finish the roll downwards. Open the roller and voila, your perfect botanical cone. Grab your packing tool inside the kit and pack down any extra. Twist the end, and there you go. And remember, no nugs left behind. Clean up any extras with our cute nug sweepers. Now, sit back, light up, and enjoy.